Hey,
keep
carry it?
Yeah. This is very happy. Big dog.
This way.
I see two of those dogs. Can you almost my hat? My hat keeps going again.
What?
I'll hold your hand back.
No. You want me to carry the food?
No, I need help with my hat.
There we go.
Are we going this way? I found the ball there. I know the
Yeah,
ball.
we're gonna go over here first.
Because the ball is over there. I'm gonna go inside the pool. Right there in the middle, but not far away.
Yeah, we're gonna go over to that one
Which
building
one's
over there.
the girl?
Over here.
Right there in the middle of the house.
Yeah.
Like when she's running right in there.
Yeah.
Is she in her sleeping house? Does the two dogs have? Does the boy one have a new house like than that one? I called them out so like me when I call them that one. When I match them, they will. We're going this way. Let's go up the hill. We're going up the hill. We have a lot of food for them. But they're excited to have food. Do they get excited when they have food?
Hmm?
Where's the ball?
She's right there.
Where's the ball for food?
Oh, it's inside.
Can I put it in her house? Can I put it in her house?
Yeah, we're gonna pour the food in there.
My dress is in that food. What? I'm still walking. Where is the bucket to put
I'll
it?
show you.
I see it.
Now let's go up to the next one and you can dump it in the next one. Come this way.
Because he's just.
Over here.
I see a little worm.
We're gonna go this
I
way.
see a worm. I saw a worm.
You saw a worm?
Be careful because there's ice cream in your big eye. Do you have to go this way?
This way, over here.
This way?
Yeah.
Or this way?
Yeah.
This is a two-place way to walk. You should be careful with that laser thing when you. I'm not hearing you. Is there goat poop in there?
Watch your head, that wire's hot.
Yeah, I know. Is there a little poop from those goats?
Mm-hmm.
Were they in here?
Yeah, the lambs were in here.
The baby lambs?
They weren't baby lambs, but they were big lambs.
Oh, I like big lambs. I like white dogs, but you like. Let's keep going. We're going far away. Watch out for that stick. The guy's coming. I'm gonna do this. Where's? This is the hole. Would you go far away and far away and far away and far away? Would that be scary if there was a bear here?
Mm-hmm.
You have a good knife, but you can fight bears right with your hands?
Yeah.
Only with your knife too?
Okay.
There's painful. There's just...
What's up, Finley? Hold on, don't go in there. Okay. Hey, pour it in the bowl.
Does she have a big bowl?
Yeah.
If you put a big bowl, I want to put it in there.
All right. All right, guys. Well, we got another few inches of snow, but that's pretty normal for here in Maine. So I got to go out and get the driveway plowed so we can get out and have access. And yeah, basically just so we can kind of get around. If we keep on top of it, it makes it a lot easier to keep up on it when it's not like we don't wait till it gets, you know, almost a foot deep. But we got lots of snow coming, and we just got to keep it clear, keep the driveway clear. Part of what we do here in Maine.